Ever wondered how technology is revolutionizing the construction industry? Imagine a world where buildings come to life virtually, where walls are more than just pixels. This is the world of building information modeling, or BIM. More than just 3D modeling, BIM creates intelligent models packed with crucial details about a structure. From the geometry and materials to performance and lifecycle costs, everything is embedded in the model. This is the power of BIM, bringing a building to life in a virtual world. So, what makes BIM more than just a 3D model? Well, imagine a 3D model that's a treasure trove of information. With building information modeling, or BIM, each element in the model is embedded with rich data. We're not just talking about the geometry of the building here. Each brick, each steel beam, every single window pane holds data about its material properties. But it doesn't stop there. The model also includes manufacturer details, performance characteristics, and more. Ever wondered about the thermal conductivity of that wall, or the tensile strength of that beam? With BIM, that information is right there at your fingertips. This treasure trove of data makes BIM a single source of truth for all project stakeholders. From architects to engineers, contractors to owners, everyone can refer to the same comprehensive model. It's not just a visual anymore. This rich data makes the model not just a visual but a comprehensive guide to the building's specifications. How does BIM improve the construction process? Well, let's talk about collaboration, coordination, and clash detection. Building information modeling, or BIM, kicks up the construction game a notch by facilitating seamless collaboration among all project stakeholders. Architects, engineers, contractors, owners, everyone's in the loop, working on the same model. This collective effort significantly reduces errors and rework, which are often the byproducts of miscommunication. But the magic doesn't stop there. BIM also boasts a feature known as clash detection. Picture this: the software scanning through the model, identifying potential clashes between different building elements before a single brick is laid. It's like having a crystal ball that foresees issues and conflicts before they even occur. This not only saves time but also avoids the unnecessary expenditure of rework on site. BIM therefore acts as a safety net, catching potential problems before they become costly mistakes. What other advantages does BIM offer, you might ask? Well, let's delve into the world of improved visualization, streamlining of workflows, and sustainability. Picture this: with BIM, we can visualize a building in both 2D and 3D, making it easier for stakeholders to understand the project. It's not just about seeing an image of a building, it's about comprehending the intricacies of its design, the spatial relationships, and how it will interact with its environment. This clear visualization bridges the gap between technical jargon and practical understanding, resulting in better informed decisions. Now let's talk about efficiency. BIM streamlines workflows by automating tasks, such as quantity takeoff and schedule generation. This saves time and resources, and reduces the likelihood of human error. It's like having a digital assistant that manages the mundane tasks, letting you focus on what truly matters, the art and science of creating fantastic buildings. But there's more. BIM also plays a crucial role in sustainability and lifecycle management. It allows us to assess the environmental impact of building materials and design strategies. Before a single brick is laid, we can gauge the building's future energy consumption, waste production, and even its carbon footprint. This gives us the power to create not just beautiful buildings, but also sustainable ones that contribute positively to our planet. In essence, BIM not only enhances the construction process, but also contributes to a more sustainable and efficient building lifecycle. So, what's the takeaway about BIM? Building information modeling, or BIM, is more than a mere technological marvel. It's a transformative process that's reshaping the construction industry. It brings buildings to life in a virtual world, where each element holds a wealth of data. From material properties and structural details to performance characteristics and lifecycle costs, BIM embeds rich information in 3D models, creating a single source of truth for all project stakeholders. But that's not all. BIM also fosters seamless collaboration and coordination, reducing errors and rework. It equips us with the power to detect clashes before construction begins, saving both time and money. With improved visualization and streamlined workflows, BIM enhances efficiency and productivity. Moreover, it's a tool for sustainability, assessing the environmental impact of materials and design strategies. BIM is indeed revolutionizing the construction industry, paving the way for a more collaborative, efficient, and sustainable way